let's do our walkthrough on how to install a farm gate. Here you're going to need a drill, a pair of hinge bolts, a 7/8 drill bit, and an adjustable wrench. Alright guys, Sam here from System Equine. We're going to go over how to hang our gate. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our gate here and line it up. And essentially we're just going to let it sit on the ground. We're going to insert our hinge here. And we're going to come up probably about a couple inches. And we're going to mark our first line here. All you're going to do is slide this first hinge in. Perfect. And then we're going to slide our next one, or gate, over top of it. And now all we're going to do is we're going to set our other hinge here, line it up, hit our mark, and then slide her on in. So in order to get this in, we're actually going to have to back off the gate here. We're going to slide our other hinge in here and make sure you have someone else holding the other side of the gate. And then we're going to come over to the other side and we're going to throw on our washer and our nut. So after lining it up, it should look something like this. If your gate is unlevel, you're going to be using this nut and this nut to tighten it. So if your gate is hanging down, all we're going to do is we're going to tighten this one up. And you're going to be wanting to use a adjustable wrench with this, and you're going to loosen this one. And that way it's going to bring the top of your gate up, making it perfectly level. And if you're having the same thing where it's hanging down too much, you can go down to the bottom hinge and do the exact same thing. You will have to play around with loosening and tighten the nuts until you get the gate level perfectly. Thank you so much for joining us on how to install your farm gate on your property. This applies to a wide variety of gates, all with the hinge on bolt attachment. If you have any more questions, stick around for our FAQ at the very end here. And if you want to get your gate today, make sure you visit systemequine.com to purchase your gate today. So if you guys made it here, you probably have some questions still unanswered. So how do we ensure that our gate is not crooked? What we do is we drill our first hole in the center of the post as much as we can. And what we want to do is we want to grab our level, line it up to the top hole and ensure that it's level. And then you can put in your second hole. Make sure you have the distance between your top and bottom hinge figured out before you drill that second hole. But the level will ensure that the gate is not crooked at all. So how do we ensure that we have the proper distance between our top and our bottom hinge? So first, after we drill our first bottom hole, what we're going to do is grab our gate. We're going to insert our hinge and we're going to see where it lines up on the side of the post. From that location on the side of the post, you're going to take your level and bring it over into the center. That way, you know you have the perfect distance between your top and your bottom. Thanks for joining us today on how to hang your farm gate. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to the System Equine staff and they will be happy to assist you. We'll see you next time on our how-to tutorials.